The Complete Guide to Fitness and Health for Adults. Introduction. Welcome to the Complete Guide to Fitness and Health for Adults. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various aspects of fitness and health, empowering you to lead a healthy and active lifestyle. As adults, taking care of our physical and mental well-being is crucial for overall happiness and longevity. From fitness routines and healthy eating habits to stress management and sleep hygiene, we will cover it all. So let's embark on this journey to discover the secrets of achieving optimal fitness and maintaining good health. Fitness routines. Regular physical activity is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Engaging in fitness routines not only improves your physical strength and endurance, but also boosts your mental well-being. Start by setting realistic fitness goals and choose activities that you enjoy. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, such as running, swimming, or cycling, to improve your heart health and burn calories. Strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises help build muscle and increase overall strength. Flexibility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, improve joint mobility and prevent injuries. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity each week. Remember to listen to your body, take rest days, and gradually progress your workouts to avoid overexertion and injuries. Consider working with a certified fitness professional to design a personalized fitness plan that aligns with your goals. Healthy eating habits. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining good health and fueling your body for optimal performance. Focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and sugary beverages. Pay attention to portion sizes and practice mindful eating, savoring each bite and recognizing your body's hunger and fullness cues. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Consider consulting a registered dietitian for personalized guidance based on your specific dietary needs and goals. Remember, healthy eating is a long-term lifestyle change, so focus on making sustainable choices rather than quick fixes or restrictive diets. Mental well-being. Achieving overall health goes beyond physical fitness. It includes nurturing your mental well-being. Practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in activities that help you relax and unwind. Prioritize self-care activities like reading, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, or practicing gratitude. Surround yourself with a positive support system and seek help when needed. If you're experiencing persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or stress, consider reaching out to a mental health professional for guidance and support. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Sleep hygiene. Quality sleep is essential for rejuvenating your body and mind. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid electronic devices, caffeine, and stimulating activities before bedtime, as they can interfere with your sleep. Incorporate a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, to signal your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. If you struggle with sleep issues, consider seeking advice from a sleep specialist who can provide further guidance and solutions. Conclusion. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide, you have taken significant steps towards achieving optimal fitness and maintaining good health as an adult. Remember that consistency and balance are key. Find joy in your fitness routines, nourish your body with wholesome foods, prioritize your mental well-being, and prioritize quality sleep. As you embark on this journey, be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and make adjustments along the way. Embrace the power of fitness and health, and enjoy the rewards of a vibrant and fulfilling life.